then we get uh, only the few records which matches that condition. Okay, so order by is something that we want to filter as well as we make them in order. So order and by are two different keywords. Like by is a keyword which is having two types, like order by and group by. We discuss it later. Okay, so some uh, advanced concepts uh, which are must to learn in SQL are join queries. Okay, so every database design is based on normalization. So uh, one enough, two enough, three enough, BC enough are some normalization forms, and the join are used to get a particular information upon joining the two tables, at least two tables. So when we write inner joins, only the matching values we will be getting. Okay. When we write left join, when we write left join, so we get the matching records from the left table and the matching records from the right table. So we will get a combination of left and right, more of left. So right is opposite to left join. So when we write a join keyword expects two tables. Whatever the uh, table which is on the left is left table, and which is on the right of the join keyword is right table. So right join gives more priority to right table, and it also gets the matching records from the left table. So some of the average functions, okay, like count, sum, and average are used for statistical needs, and group by, so to group a particular data, so they're used, and having clause is used for filtering and to give more specific conditions for a group. Okay, so this is all the first day of your SQL class. This is the overview of SQL. So the next video will be on writing some queries. Okay, thank you.